Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be crafting in my soul care journal, and we're going to be using all of the different items from the soul care kit by Mandy Ford. Now, last time I did a spread or did some crafting in this journal, we made this card together, and this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. And then the inside cover as well. So we're going to be doing something similar to that this week, except we're going to be making a card and a tag. I think that is what I want to do, and I have an inspiration and a reason behind why I want to do the card, so we're probably going to do the card first. If you guys are interested in purchasing your own Mandy Ford kit, this is actually something that I purchased from Paper House Productions, and if you are familiar with any of my videos, you know that I'm an affiliate for Paper House Productions, and I got this kit because I really wanted to expand my creativity and craft a little differently and, you know, reach out in a different way to other people. So that's why I decided to get this kit. So I will leave the link to the kit and the affiliate code as well. So if you are interested in checking any of that out, purchasing your own kit or seeing the different kinds of kits that Paper House Productions has, I will leave that so you can check it out. I would appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate code. But we're going to go ahead and get started with the card first. So I think I already know exactly what card I want to use, and I think it's going to be this blue one, because the whole purpose behind me doing a card is one of my neighbors lost her dog, and that was really sad, and this specific neighbor has been really kind to us. I want to make a card for her for the loss of her dog because it's just her now, and I want her to remember that she's not alone and that we are still here, and hopefully this will make her smile a little bit. So I think I'm going to do this card for here. And I don't think we're going to use any of the vellum today, but don't know if I'm going to use any of these. So I'm going to set this aside. This is the envelope. And let's go through these first, because I know that there are a few things in here that we can use. Well, I thought there was something that I could use, but maybe I can use the deco. I was kind of looking to see if there were any here. I don't think so. I really want to do, like, condolences and stuff. I don't know if there's anything I can use for that. So let's go through the die cuts and see what we have here. Okay, let's see how these ones would be. I'm just dropping stuff left and right over here. Well, this one probably wouldn't work. I don't want to be, like, insensitive, because that was a really hard time for her, and I want her to know that, like, we're here for her. So I'm trying to find stickers and die cuts that would represent that. Part of me feels like that's good. Yeah, maybe that would be enough. And I kind of want to use this page. Let's see. Okay, I think I know what I want to do, and I like this, so let me get these. These are my adhesive dots, and I think I'm gonna pop the house up and this. All right. Okay, I thought I had a sticker that said thinking of you. I didn't, but I found some in my Jameson Reed Designs kit, the thinking of you, because I thought I had a stamp that said thinking of you, but I guess I didn't. So, let me get a block, and we will put thinking of you here. Let's see. Maybe the heart. Okay, here we go. Oh, oh, that's pretty. Oh, oh my gosh. Ah, that's so cool. Okay. I'm freaking out a little bit because I'm never good at stamping. I feel like I always mess up. So, oh my gosh, this is good. Okay, we need to do the inside. And I know pretty much what I want to do for the inside because I was thinking about it. And I think I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of decoration on the inside because there needs to be a lot of room for writing. So I'm going to use this flower sticker here. And I kind of want to do a heart. I don't see, oh, here we go. There's a heart here. I think I'm going to do another rainbow up here. I think I saw a heart on this page too. Oh, that's big. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then there will be room here for our message because I'm not going to be the only one who writes something. It's going to be both me and my sister. We'll leave her a message so that she can have that. Alright, so here is the card. This is the front. And then a little tiny bit of decoration on the inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the tag. And I'm thinking I know exactly what I want to do with this. This is not going to be related to the card at all. This is going to be something that I'm going to stick in my soul care journal for the next page. And I am excited because I know exactly what I want to do. It's going to be very cute. So let's go ahead and move into the card. Alrighty, so let me find some stickers that I want to use. I kind of want it to be like a coffee theme a little bit. So, moving those out of the way. I'm going to hold on to these. And let's see. Ooh, I'm kind of changing my mind now. I kind of want to do this. That's actually really cute. Okay, well maybe, maybe we'll change this and do that. Because I kind of wanted to use this piece here too. Okay, I think I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Let's go ahead and put this down before I change my mind. Because I'm going to do the same thing on this side too. Okay. And then I'm going to line it up with the hole here. I didn't do a very good job of that. Might be too late though. Maybe not. There we go. Much better. Okay, and then this one I'm going to pop up. And this one I'm going to pop up. There we go. And then I'm going to do, ooh, manifest abundance or positive energy. I think manifest abundance. I like that. And then on the back, I'm going to do the peace sign again. And I'm going to use these, and then positive energy, and I am worthy of my dreams. And then I think maybe one of these stars and the back will be good. Maybe not the stars. Maybe we'll do these stars. Let's see. There are other pink ones. There's this one. There we go. That's cute. I'm okay with this. I think that this is good. Oh, and then the ribbon. Let's do... Thinking of actually using the blue since I used it in the other spread too, because that way I don't waste any. Let's see how it looks. Actually, not too shabby. Let's tie it. Sometimes they don't tie very well. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Oh, I like that. That's good. And that is it for this craft with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me craft and joining me as I create a sympathy card and tag for my soul care journal. Like I said, this is a card that is going to be sent to my neighbor to console her for her loss that she had, and I really like the way this card turned out. I think it is very calming and very lovely, and I hope that when she sees this, she knows that we are thinking about her and that we really wish her the best, and hopefully that will bring a smile to her face in a sad time. And then this is the tag that I made. It's pretty simple but very fun, and I'm going to stick it in my journal to mark where I'm at in my page so that I can have that there. And like I said, if you missed the last plan with me or craft with me, I did this card here, and I have not sent this out to the person that I'm wanting to yet because this is something that is taking some time to get the information from them. So there's that, and then this was the last craft with me where I did the card and the spread. So if you guys are interested in following along as I create more pages and do more things with the soul care journal and the soul care items, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you are notified when I post a new video of the Craft With Me series. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. As I have mentioned, I do craft with lots of different things: polymer clay, art prompt journal books, craft cards, and planners, lots of different things. So if you are interested in checking out the different content that I create, look in the description box. There will be links to different playlists, so you can check those out if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to craft and create different things with various crafting material. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!